women. You know it. These women are protesting because of what the Arabs are doing to their farms. You can see them holding cassava sticks of their farms that were destroyed by the Arabs, the Fulanis. The Fulanis are destroying their farms. They are protesting, heading to the police station to make a formal complaint against the Fulanis who are destroying their farms. See them carrying cassava sticks and other crops which the Arabs, the Fulanis,